Ready to ditch the generic GPS routes and craft your own epic adventures? Today, we're diving into Garmin Basecamp to show you exactly how to create custom routes, packed with waypoints and personalized paths for ultimate navigation control. First, make sure you have Garmin Basecamp downloaded and installed on your computer. You can find the link in the description below. Open Basecamp and locate the toolbar at the top. Click on the new route tool. It looks like a winding road. Now, find your desired starting point on the map. Click to place your first waypoint. This marks the beginning of your route. Continue clicking on the map to add more waypoints. Each click creates a point that Basecamp will connect, forming your route. Think about the specific trails or roads you want to follow. Need to add a waypoint in between two existing ones? Select the Insert tool from the toolbar and click on the route where you want to place the new point. Not quite happy with the placement? Simply click and drag any waypoint to fine-tune its position and adjust your route's path. To rename a waypoint, right-click on it and select Rename. This is helpful for marking specific locations like summit view or campsite. Right-click on the route itself in the left-hand panel and select Open. This opens the Route Properties window. Here, you can specify your activity type, like hiking or cycling, and set avoidances such as highways or ferries. Once you're satisfied with your route, connect your Garmin device to your computer in Basecamp. Select your device from the left-hand panel and drag your newly created route onto it. Now, your custom route is loaded onto your Garmin, ready to guide you on your next adventure. Go forth and conquer.